Hello everybody and welcome to a special episode of Creative Cooking on a Shoestring. I'm in the home of my good friend Phoenix and we are going to be making cookies. So let's get cooking.
So I have my dough. It's been chilling for an hour. You take the cookie recipe that has been, you took a photo of it or whatever. Anyway, you chill it for an hour, which is on the next page from that recipe. And I do have a mat that I can roll stuff on, but I found it's just easier to really clean my countertop and just do it that way. So I'm gonna go with pretty small chunks to start. I need quite a bit of flour because this can be really sticky. Anyway, so I mash it together, get it warmed up just a little bit. And these are all my cookie cutouts. And that's maybe half.
What do you need it warmed up for?
Well, I need it to be, it's pretty stiff when it comes out of the fridge. so I want to warm it, just a fuzz. Anyway, and then cover it with flour.
Just a fuzz?
Just a fuzz. And this is my grandma's rolling pin. Thank you, Mom. Anyway, so you want to flour your rolling pin, flour your this stuff really good. And it's only about like a quarter of an inch or something. I'm just going to do it by feel at this point. I'm going to try to get it pretty even. So it cooks pretty evenly.
Yeah, because your oven's not all that light.
My oven is all over the place. Alright, so it feels pretty good. A bit long this side.
Actually, I thought it was a little thick.
So the first one we're going to do is a unicorn, because Christmas unicorns. Hello. Anyway, and then you just go about cutting them out. This is my first year doing the unicorns, so we'll kind of see how that goes. Be very careful.
You don't break his leg.
Or
his horn.
I know. Okay, hang on just a second. I'm going to grab chopstick.
Pokey stick.
A pokey stick. There we go.
Where's Talon when you need him?
I didn't say. Ooh!
What did you do?
I think I poked him in the leg.
Did you poke his leg off?
Maybe. Well, we'll just.
Oh, you broke his leg.
I totally broke his leg. Okay, well, this one's gonna take a little doing.
It's a two-legged unicorn.
Right.
Oh, that is like kind of really thin, though.
Let's try another one. Let's try this. Is holly? Is it holly? So, where's mine?
What do you do with the extra dough?
Well, once I get all the cutouts done, I take it and I ball it back up again, and you can add more to it and just keep rolling it out until you really don't have any left. And it will get, you know, more flour in the mix because you're, yeah, I think I need to roll that a little bit more.
Your hubby's home.
Yeah. You'll get more flour in it, but it's totally fine. That hasn't ever been an issue. So be very generous with your flour so you're not sticking to the counter or your mat or whatever you're using.
And action.
Hello. So with our take two. With our sugar cookies, we don't do icing, which a lot of people do. We usually do colored sugar on top because I don't like the super sweet of the icing personally. So I'm mixing up the colors for our sugar cookies, and I have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and hopefully purple at the end. So I usually just dish out a little bit of sugar and then just drop a few drops into the sugar, and then I mix it. I don't know if you can see.
No, you can't.
Oh, better.
Let me tilt the camera. There.
Okay. So then I take a fork and I just mash it and mix it, and it takes a minute. And try to get it into the color that you want it to be.
And you try not to like dump it all over the floor?
Well, there's that part too. And when you're applying it, you can wear gloves, but that's not very much fun. We like to have tie-dyed fingers at the end, so.
Tie-dye school.
Yes. So anyway, you get the gist. You just mix it up like that. And then we go through and do all the other colors. Okay, I'm going to, this is an egg wash, which is egg whites and water, and just mix them up together. Anyway, egg white and water, mix it together, and then brush it on the cookies. And I usually just do a couple at a time because it wants to dry out really quick. And this is going to make the colored sugar adhere to the cookies. So we do floors. Okay, so get brush it on, and then grab our colors.
Can you move that bowl?
Oh, sorry. And then sprinkle those on. Sometimes we get a little creative. Here, sure, that's for a while. Time to sit down. Just turn on your fingers.
I think that's enough.
So these are, it's very time consuming, but anyway, so these are that. You stick them in the oven, and I'll have to look on the time. Oven is set at 375, and I think they're maybe 10 minutes. I'll have to look up. Hold on. The recipe says for 8 minutes at 375. So we'll start with
Depending upon your oven.
Or 3 hours if you have our oven.
You've got your ass on film.
Woo!